Ever pondered over the tricky situation of wilting, browning, or drying out of your preserved moss? It's a common problem, but the good news is it's also fixable. Firstly, understand that preserved moss is not living moss. It's been treated with glycerin and other ingredients to retain its softness and natural green color, but it can lose these properties if not handled correctly. Step 1. Hydrate. Moss can lose its moisture over time, especially in dry environments. A simple solution is to mist it lightly with water. Remember, lightly. Overwatering can lead to mold growth, which is another problem you don't want to deal with. Step 2. Maintain the right environment. Moss prefers cool, humid environments. Consider placing a humidifier near your moss if you live in a dry area. Again, avoid creating a too damp environment to prevent mold. Step 3. Keep it out of direct sunlight. Sunlight can bleach the vibrant green color of your moss, turning it brown. Find a spot that gets indirect light for your moss to thrive. Step 4. Dust it off. Dust can accumulate on your moss, making it look dull. A gentle blow with a hairdryer on the cool setting is a great way to dust off without damaging the moss. Step 5. Revive the color. If your moss has turned brown, it means it's either been too exposed to sunlight or it's too dry. In this case, you can use a bit of green floral spray paint to revive its color. Make sure to use it sparingly. You don't want your moss to look artificially green. To summarize, maintaining preserved moss involves keeping it lightly hydrated, ensuring it's in a cool, humid environment, protecting it from direct sunlight, dusting it regularly, and reviving its color when necessary. Remember, the key is to mimic the natural environment of moss as closely as possible. And there you have it, a step-by-step guide to keeping your preserved moss looking fresh and vibrant for years to come.